Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn an important topic patriotism which is included in ninth class English book as well as it is very important for essays that comes in exams. So let's get started. First we will take overview on this topic. This topic is about introduction to patriotism, qualities of a patriot, remarks of leaders, examples of patriots. Secondly, we will see this topic as essay point of view. The writer will be able to write a paragraph, or you can say the first paragraph on the definition of patriotism and other paragraphs on the remarks and quotes of leaders, as well as examples and some short stories. Basically, today we are going to learn a essay or topic on patriotism which is included in class 9th English book. Paragraph number 1 and 2. In paragraph number 1, the definition of patriotism is stated with the definition of what patriot, which is derived from Latin word patriota, which means countryman. In paragraph number 2, the importance of patriotism is stated. The other content is written below, so you can read this and write in your own words. Coming toward next, paragraph number 3 and 4. Paragraph number 3 of this topic is about the remarks of Quaid-e-Azam, and in this paragraph the Quaid-e-Azam is shown as a great nation builder and patriot. His quote is written below. In paragraph number 4, some examples of patriots of Pakistan are written. Paragraph number 5. In paragraph number 5, it is stated that patriotism is not just like feeling, but it is also a spirit that guides, inspires, and rises our nation. And a famous quote of S.W. Scott, a man of devoid and patriotic spirit, is written. The questions in the end of chapter are very simple and you can write this information into that question. So I am not sharing the answers of that question, so you will be able to practice them by yourself and will be able to write that question, that answers in your exam. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. Be a learning. I always share educational content and study tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.